Hey, so in my opinion, helping people lease properties and helping people find properties to lease is the best way in the Washington D.C. metro area to um, to stay active and to make money monthly in the real estate business. In particular, around army bases, military bases. I'm in the Fort Meade area, and I deal with clients that are moving in and out of the area that are assigned to Fort Meade. And, a couple of things that I want to mention on this. Number one, if you're a person that is relocating or know that they are relocating um, to the Fort Meade area, you need to do a couple of things. Number one, not wait to the last minute. I've had 3 leads that have called me over the past 2 weeks that need to find a place within 2 weeks. And so the idea is they're moving from, one was moving from Arizona, one was moving from Louisiana, and another one I think was in California. Anyway, they the idea is to fly down to this area for one weekend and find an apartment or find a home to rent. And what they're finding is the competition is way too great. You need to plan this out at least, my opinion, 90 days in advance. At the very least 60 days in advance, and you need to have your stuff together. You need to know your credit score. You need to be prepared to submit several applications through the MLS. You can go to various sites where you only have to pay one application fee, and you can apply for several houses on that are assigned to that website or affiliated with that website. Several landlords use that. Rent Spree is one. Pay one application fee, and for 30 days you can apply. Also, if you're deciding to look at apartments, and I've had a couple people complaining about the ratings. Well, you can complain about the ratings, or you can find a place to stay. I'm not saying that you need to live in cockroaches and live around people that are going to rob you, but at the same time, if you're going to be a last minute person, then you need to get in where you fit in. Number two, the prices are different. $2,000 in this area a month is going to put you in a basement. It's going to put you in somebody's basement, okay? It's going to put you in a private room with access to a bathroom. So you need to not complain, and you need to prepare yourself accordingly. This is a grown person's business and a grown person's market here, so you need to prepare yourself accordingly. Also, if you're an agent or a salesperson, someone that represents, this is a great way for you to earn income monthly. Market to people that need to rent. Buying and selling is good, but renting pays the bills. And so, you can be making 35 to 40% of the first month's rent by keeping people turned over. And you can also develop those clients that you find rentals for, and in the hopes of eventually turning them into homeowners. In many cases, you'll hear people saying that it makes more, financially it may make more sense to buy even with the high interest rates as opposed to rent. Well, maybe, but if a person needs to rent, you need to find a place for them to rent. Okay. So hope this helps, and I know it's going to help if you actually apply it, because it helps me monthly. Get out here, get active, and if you're looking for a home and you're a real estate professional, or want to be a real estate professional and need someone to teach you how to make money in this area, hit me up. at info@exitvanguard.com. This is Kevin Rory, broker and owner of Exit Vanguard Realty out of Odenton, Maryland. If you are someone that needs to find a place to stay, hit us up at the same info@exitvanguard.com. We will reach back out to you and get the process rolling for you. All right? Hope everyone has a great day and be productive. Till the next time. Peace.